Need an extra set of hands in the shop? Armor Tools toggle clamps have got the solution to any clamping problem. With a wide range of clamping combinations, you can use these toggle clamps in almost every situation, from jigs and outfeed tables to CNCs. The Armor toggle clamps come in a variety of selections. An easy way to choose the perfect clamp for your project is to first select your pressure direction, whether inline or vertical pressure. Next, choose the minimum and maximum widths you'd like your clamp to hold. Finally, decide on a mounting position. We offer front, side, or horizontal mounting plates. Each clamp comes equipped with Armor's patented auto-adjusting technology, which allows you to clamp varying thicknesses without having to readjust while maintaining the same pressure. Armor's toggle clamp can reach ranges up to 400 to 550 pounds, depending on the unit, and can be adjusted by simply turning the adjustment screw. To decrease pressure, turn the screw so it threads inward. To increase pressure, turn the screw so it threads outward. For even more clamping range, you can also adjust your reach and depth of the spindle by adjusting the hex bolt and allowing for more clamping range. Find the perfect toggle clamp to get your project done right. Built for the builders. Arm your shop with Armor Tools.